Francesca.
And Leah!
And welcome back to our channel. So, we are back at it with a part 2 for fidget trading. So, we clearly have so many fidgets. We divided them up again. Last time, I totally ended up with a better collection. So, hopefully...
I can do that!
Well, hopefully the same thing happens today. And I'm sure it will happen today because I'm spicing things up. So,
What?
here. This is all yours. And I'm not just going to be trading air. I'm going to be trading new fidgets.
Oh!
Ta-da!
Where'd you get those?
That's none of your concern, but they were like this is like $200 worth of fidgets, so...
Bro, those are all better than mine!
Well, then you're gonna have to make some good offers because this is a lot of stuff worth trading.
Yeah. I already have like 10 things that I want. I want this, I want this, I want
Nope,
this.
no touchies, no touches.
I was like 8!
No! Okay. So, I think this is gonna be pretty interesting, don't you?
Okay, so let's take turns putting on stuff, and I mean, we all know how this works. Just
Yeah.
decline,
How
highlight,
about I start with something that is going to... Let's start off small to big, you know?
Yeah, not some like giant poppet.
Okay. So, I already know that you wanted one of these. So, my first thing is going to be this. Now, if you want it, you're going to have to put down a really good offer. It's like a DNA ball with like spiky stuff.
So I will offer this unicorn Orbeez little thingy,
Okay.
and this poop one.
We're going to have to add a bit.
This poop.
This?
Yeah.
I
I think I'm a little over.
Okay, fine. I will accept because
Yeah.
this is good. And plus
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
god,
be
it feels so nice, but it's a little tiny. I got scammed!
That is not.
It's actually a really good offer. I love it. Mwah.
Look.
I wish I could marry.
They literally stick together. Ah! Anyways.
Okay, now it's
So
my
now
turn.
Leah already has a new fidget.
Okay, so I will start small as well, and I will put down this little fidget spinner poppet.
I think you're gonna have to add if you even want to consider an offer. Not
No,
kidding.
you have to offer for this.
I don't even have anything worth offering for that.
fine. I'll add this crackle slime.
Okay, fine.
It's very nice.
So
Look at
these
this.
are all very okay. These are good. So
I'm not gonna show that.
what?
It kind of sucks.
It kind of what?
I didn't say anything.
Okay, well that puts down the value of it. So
No, it's actually good.
you didn't, Leah. I think you had a different opinion than that.
No, I said it kind of sounds nice. That's what I said.
All right, the most you're getting out of me is these two things.
Are you kidding? 2 monkey noodles for a fidget spinner poppet and a crackle slime? Add!
Well, okay. I'll
Get
add
something good. Are you kidding?
this. Well, you're the one.
Bro, this is good stuff, and you trade me some monkey noodles and some nunchucks and some mochi? That is not fair.
Fine.
Bad.
Okay, someone is having a little hissy fit. You can get 2 globbles.
Bro, trade me good stuff!
And let's take a look. See? Just kidding. I know you're gonna. How about this?
You clearly don't know how to trade.
Decline?
Yeah.
Okay.
How is that a good trade? A fidget spinner poppet and a slime with some 2 monkey noodles, 2 globbles, and this little whatever the heck this is.
So clearly Leah learned from her mistakes last time.
Exactly. I traded a scented, beautiful cloud sign
Okay.
for some monkey noodles and some milkshakes.
Okay, fine. Put those things back up. I have something good for you.
Oh. This time I'll add a pop tube. Long. A yellow pop tube.
Okay. I know you won't be able to resist. A rabbit poppet. Add?
Yeah, this is a really good trade. I have a poppet right here and it spins.
But look at the pop.
Oh my god, add!
Fine.
Sit down. Give me a slime or something. Here's a slime.
Actually, that's not good enough, Leah.
Your phone is ringing.
I know. Who is it? Hold on. Hello? Hello? Yeah? From where? Okay, so sorry about that. My dad called and he asked if we wanted Taco Bell.
Ha! And we obviously said yes.
Anyways, we are gonna go back to the trade.
Trade me something good!
Fine, okay, this is really good. Fine. Donut squishy.
Okay, fine.
Yay!
I will miss you. This is actually a really cool book. It pops so good.
I told you! Okay,
That was it does too. Wow, that's good.
alright. Anyways.
Okay, it's actually your turn.
Yes, it
Go
is.
ahead.
And I'm gonna put down an Instagram puppet.
Oh, okay.
Da-da-da-da-da.
That's a really good trade. I will have to stand up for this.
Yes, you will.
I know. Where are all my poppets?
That's a good one.
I swear.
I think they're right here.
Oh yeah, they are. Hold on. I will trade you this teddy bear.
Okay.
Add this one.
Add something small.
And this little puppy squishy. And it's fluffy. And emotion.
Okay, fine. I'll let
Yay!
This.
But those are my two favorite poppets.
Oh, well, too bad.
Now they're mine! Oh yeah, this pop's good actually. Here, I'm gonna try the other side.
This is a pretty big mochi.
Yeah.
It's honestly bigger than the other one, so. Yay! Okay,
I
how
got
about
it
you
really
put
cool.
something up for trade?
Okay, I'll trade you this flower poppet with slime on it.
What?
I'm just kidding. Rainbow.
I mean, I'll take that. The flower one.
Okay.
Last time I liked it.
Here, these two.
Okay.
This has letters on it, and it's really
Okay. How about this?
And
This unicorn.
I literally just traded you those.
Okay.
Don't trade them back to me. Why else do you think I traded them? So I don't get them back. Get me some good puppets.
Okay. How about this
Put
panda?
this away.
This panda color changing like squeeze
Do you
ball.
think this is really a good offer?
Demonstrating what I
I
have.
want a puppet.
Okay, fine.
I want a puppet. Two puppets.
Okay, fine. And this heart, colorful heart.
Add.
Add.
I need something like that makes up for that.
Hi.
I like a
Nope, this is my final offer. This is plenty, Leah. Add.
I hate globals.
You want
Take
globals?
no. Just got. I need valuable stuff. I'm not gonna be playing stuff. No.
Oh,
You know what? Decline.
okay, wait. I have something.
Take away the globals.
This. A DNA ball.
Add. I want a slime.
Oh my gosh, I'm not getting this. How about this? A cosmic
I need to
slime.
feel it so you don't scam me.
You don't get to feel it, but you get to look at it. It's metallic. No. It's
It
metallic.
feels like plastic.
No, it doesn't. It's metallic. It stretches really good.
Okay.
Yay! This slime isn't that good, by the way. Ha!
It's sticky and it.
My work here is done. Next round is. You can't take it back. I have a no return policy.
I hate you!
I have a no return policy, so you're just gonna have to deal with your awful Fidget.
Me neither.
Okay, so this is a one-of-a-kind cotton candy cloud slime.
Okay.
Or some, yeah.
I will trade you.
And it's scented. So, this
Can I
is.
smell it?
Fine.
Oh, that smells like cotton candy.
Yeah.
Here, I will trade you this popsicle poppet.
Uh-huh.
This apple squishy. You love apples.
Okay.
This infinity cube. This thinking putty. This thinking putty. And this thinking putty.
Okay, first of all, you tried to scam me with this last
Pretend
time.
that never happened.
That's a good offer.
Come on. Actually, no. I wanna. No. Sloth.
Ooh. Fine, accept.
I'm gonna feel this. Oh my god.
Okay.
That. Oh.
Okay, next offer.
It smells so good.
Next offer.
Okay. Should I offer something?
Nope, because I got something.
What? No.
Okay, fine. You offer something. I'll save this for later. Go. Offer something.
Okay. I offer this puppet.
I don't even have anything worth trading for that. Add.
Actually, okay. I will add this Nido
Okay.
and this pea popper.
Okay.
And this puppet. Ooh.
Okay. So, I have this unicorn
Ooh.
and a
Is
little.
that a unicorn?
I think so.
Okay.
And a little cat. And
And I still have these two. And this Nido is really good.
I know. It's like and this.
Oh my god.
How about this fidget spinner?
Okay.
Wait.
I said Nido.
Okay. The next thing you won't be able to resist. Oh, this is mine. Okay. Next up is this giant rainbow Nido.
Oh my god, can I feel it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I think.
I'll get something. I will love it.
Last time I had that baby Yoda, it barely pops. It's. You have to add.
This feels like a Nido.
Not really.
Come on.
This is very valuable. This is probably like 3 pounds and
Okay, fine.
squishy. It feels like there's a shaving cream inside.
How about this? And
And this is a
This
really
thinking
good
putty?
offer. I'm gonna have to see fidget spinners, slimes,
Okay, fine.
Poppets.
Fine.
galore.
Okay, I have Mochi. Orbeez. stress
Mochi. Ugh.
ball. Orbeez stress ball. Feels really nice.
Okay, we're getting somewhere.
Um,
Pop it! Come on, show me some good things. And fidget
This.
spinners.
this.
Where's my fidget spinners? I literally just had them 2 minutes ago.
They're like right here.
Oh, I'm willing to take back this.
Okay, fine. These two. Bro, I'm trading you everything that I have. You better accept.
Accept. I really regretted.
Oh, I forgot I have this.
Dang it.
It's
got.
like a slime inside of a needle.
I regret giving this to you because it's tie-dye and it pops great. So I'm gonna take it back, and I'm glad I got it back.
Do you want to trade? Because I really
Yes,
like this.
I got this. This stuff is pretty good. I'm pretty
Okay.
happy with it.
I have something that you will love.
Okay.
How about this?
No. I'm good. Decline.
How about this mega flarp? Oh, and this slime goop, and it feels really cool. It's like cloud slime, but like not cloud slime.
You're gonna scam me again, aren't you?
It's like
Well,
look.
it's really wet and gross. I think I'm good for now.
How about this mega flarp putty?
Okay, fine. I will.
Oh yeah, this time sucks.
That sucks. How about these magnetic rings?
Ooh. It's a whole bucket of slime. Come on. Like, look at this.
And this DNA ball?
Add.
Are you kidding? It's just a slime. It's barely good. This is plenty, Leah.
Add maybe a stress ball or something.
You'll get this mochi and 2 globbles.
Add.
This. Come on. It's a
Fine,
unicorn.
Except.
Yay! Oh wait, this is actually pretty good.
Why did I try
It's like really big and it's cold. I like cold slimes.
I love this slime.
Okay, I'm
never trading this slime, by the way.
It's time for me to offer one of my biggest ones yet. Ta-da! A Baby Yoda squishy!
Oh my god, wait, can I feel it?
No.
Is
This?
Is it a squishmallow or a real squishy?
Leah. This is the display. You have to go based off of what you see and based off of what I tell you. It's kind of like a squishmallow.
Okay. I will trade you.
Well,
I have nothing good.
then you're gonna have to focus on quantity.
All the good stuff I have, you traded me, and I can't return mine.
You can.
You said no returning policy.
Yeah, no return for free.
Okay, fine.
Oh my gosh. Decline.
Okay, fine. I'll let something.
Nice try.
This.
Ooh, okay.
This. Oh wait, no.
Yeah.
No, actually, no. No. This.
Okay.
This. Just take my whole bucket.
That's too late.
It's in my bucket now.
Sorry, not sorry. I thrive off of your desperation, okay?
This is a squishmallow.
It's not even a squishmallow, it's just a stuffed animal. It just has stuffing. But it's cute, so I guess you can't call it a scam. He just gave me her whole bucket for free! Okay guys, so this is the aftermath of her total desperation freak out. I think I'm winning. Literally, I got back everything I traded her and more. So
Okay, we still have a few rounds, so I can get.
yeah, good luck with that.
Okay, fine. I trade this.
There's a reason I traded that to you. I didn't want it. Okay, fine. I'll put this up for the table. Oh my god, I love it.
Add.
No, I'm not trading for this. This is what I'm offering.
Well, I will trade you
It's a really good squishy, by the way.
this squishy, this baby butter.
Okay, I don't like these.
Tingle.
Leah, you really don't have much left to give me, huh?
Okay, I'm looking for these. Like globals or
These.
whoa, this is heavy. Then here and here.
Okay.
And
items? Goodness.
Marble Mash.
Okay, fine, accept.
Yay!
Yippee!
Oh yeah, Taco Bell is here.
Yay! Alright. Okay, wow.
I will take these magnetic rings. Here, I haven't even felt them yet. I'm gonna feel them. Okay, these magnetic rings absolutely suck, and it was a scam, so trade.
Okay. Fine. I kind of feel bad, so I'm gonna give you. These we got at the Austin Aquarium, and
Let me feel.
they're really cool. They're really strong and very nice. Good quality.
I'm sorry, but
Okay, fine.
yes, maybe like a stress ball or a squishy or a monkey.
Okay, since I'm
Actually,
on,
never mind. Accept.
no, since I'm on the topic of magnetic stuff, I'm gonna offer you this.
Ooh, what's that?
These are some magnetic balls,
What the?
and you can shape them, and they're really cool. And
Whoa.
I think they're really cool to play with.
You know what?
Yay! Okay, these aren't that bad. I don't think they are. They're honestly pretty good if they glow in the dark.
Oh, look at this. Wow. This is so cool.
Okay, so now,
Okay, I know what I'm gonna trade.
you know what can I offer this time?
Sure. It's probably not gonna be a successful offer.
It will. Because I have one
Oh my
final
God.
thing. This giant butterfly puppet and a TikTok puppet.
No! Get the slime. I like that. Get the slime. Get the slime.
Fine. We have some cloud slime.
Oh, can I? It's not cloud slime.
Gaddis.
How is that cloud slime?
Or no, butter slime or something.
Can I?
It
feel
says super cloud.
Can I feel it?
Fine. It's like buttery cloud slime.
I'm in love.
Yeah, you are.
And
I expect something big. Ooh, okay.
And yeah.
Oh my gosh, Leah, the choices you make. I got back the Nito. Oh my gosh.
I can play with the slime forever. That needle got boring in like 2 minutes, but I can play with the slime forever. So yeah, that was
Okay. Well, anyways, there's not much left to trade. We covered all the topics, so I think I totally won this. Literally, I have a whole bucket with new and old and all in between. I mean, you're the one who traded, and plus she gave me like her whole bucket at one point. You're so desperate. It's sad, Leah. Anyways, let us know who you think won. I think we totally knew the answer, but Leah, my advantage here is that her weakness is definitely like slime and stuff, and that she's willing to travel all lengths for things, like she's very desperate. And when she's desperate, she makes bad choices. So that's how I ended up here. Let us know if you guys want a part 3 because, wow, we have double the amount we had before. And we definitely need to put these fidgets to use. So let us know some good fidget ideas. If it's not fidget trading, it should be other fidget stuff. So let us know what you want to see because you guys clearly like fidgets and so does Leah. So whose team are you on? Team Francesca or Team Leah?
Or team for just giving me a merch.
Oh yeah, this is coming. It's
going of, I don't know. I'm wearing this because I wanted to.
anyways, go ahead and follow us on Instagram for just and
buy a merch.
And our TikTok got banned again, so don't even bother looking. But anyways,
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. We love you so much. Bye. Bye.